Welcome to Rome Tips. If you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are available in the description below. Also, remember that what follows is based on my personal experience with the platform. Swapzone.io is a cryptocurrency exchange aggregator. This means it doesn't directly handle your trades, but connects you with various exchanges, allowing you to compare rates and choose the best offer. This can save you time and potentially money by presenting a variety of options in one place. The platform supports a wide array of cryptocurrencies, increasing the likelihood of finding the trading pair you need. Navigating Swapzone is designed to be straightforward. You simply select the cryptocurrency you want to exchange, the one you want to receive, and the amount. Swapzone then displays the available offers from different exchanges, outlining the exchange rate, fees, and estimated transaction time. You can then select the exchange that best suits your needs and complete the swap directly through their platform. While Swapzone itself doesn't charge fees, the individual exchanges it connects you with do. These fees vary and are typically displayed clearly before you confirm the transaction. It's important to factor these into your decision when choosing an exchange through Swapzone. One key benefit of using an aggregator like Swapzone is the potential for increased security. While you still interact with the individual exchanges to complete the trade, Swapzone pre-vets the platforms it lists, adding a layer of assurance. This can be particularly helpful for newer users navigating the complexities of cryptocurrency exchanges. However, it's always recommended to do your own research on any exchange before making a trade. Swapzone also offers a fixed-rate exchange option, which can be useful for those seeking price stability. This locks in the exchange rate for a specific period, protecting you from market fluctuations during the transaction process. Bear in mind that fixed-rate exchanges might come with slightly higher fees. Overall, Swapzone provides a convenient way to compare cryptocurrency exchange rates and access a wide range of trading pairs. Its user-friendly interface and focus on transparency make it a valuable tool for both beginners and experienced traders. Remember to always exercise caution and do your own research when dealing with cryptocurrencies.